Hello everyone, and welcome back to Light Learning. Today, we're exploring a fascinating and powerful research method in education, the case study. This approach allows us to uncover the rich, complex stories behind teaching and learning, stories that numbers and experiments alone can't fully capture. Imagine walking into a bustling classroom. One student is furiously scribbling notes. Another student gazes thoughtfully out the window. A third student whispers to a friend. The teacher is multitasking, answering questions, calming nerves, and sparking curiosity all at once. The big question is, how can researchers truly understand this lively, imperfect, and deeply human environment? While surveys give us broad statistics and experiments offer control, case studies provide the detailed narrative, the why behind the numbers. They help us see education as it really happens, in all its messiness and beauty. Section 1. What is a case study? Think of it like this. Instead of flying over a city and snapping a wide aerial shot, you land on one street corner and watch life unfold. You notice the shopkeepers greeting customers, the school bell ringing, children rushing across the road. In research, a case study is an in-depth exploration of a single unit, maybe a student, a classroom, or even an entire school. It doesn't try to cover everything. Instead, it digs deep into one case to uncover insights broader studies might miss. It's the difference between reading the statistics of average student engagement and actually sitting in the back row, watching the hands shoot up, the yawns spread across the room, the whispers, the sparks of curiosity. One researcher once described case studies as standing close enough to education that you can hear the heartbeat. That's the essence. Section 2. Principles guiding case studies. Case studies are not just random storytelling. They're guided by important principles. 1. Context matters. Students don't learn in a vacuum. Their family, friends, culture, even the classroom furniture, all of it influences learning. A case study embraces that complexity. For example, a researcher noticed that students sitting near windows participated more in discussions. Why? Because the seating plan put quieter students together near the front. Context revealed the hidden pattern. 2. Multiple sources of data. Good case studies don't rely on just one method. Researchers might observe lessons, interview students, check exam results, and even read policy documents. This is called triangulation, like shining 3 different flashlights on the same corner to see the whole picture. 3. Holistic perspective. Instead of isolating variables, they look at the whole puzzle. How does a teacher's style interact with student motivation, curriculum design, and technology use? It's like looking at a garden, not just measuring one flower, but seeing how sunlight, soil, water, and insects interact. 4. Interpretive analysis. Data isn't just collected, it's a story waiting to be told. The researcher connects the dots, interprets what they mean, and offers an explanation. Imagine hearing a student say, "I love math when Ms. Lee explains it with games, but I hate the worksheets." That comment, woven with observations and results, becomes a key insight. In short, case studies are detective work. Clues come from many directions, and the researcher pieces them together to understand the bigger picture.